Welcome to Makeup Without Limitation. In today's Empties, it is makeup. Makeup I have panned, makeup I have finished. And these were supposed to be filmed back in February of 2026. But as you knew, I had eye surgery, so I didn't bother to film this video. So now here later in the year, 2026, I'm filming. This is a short video to show you what I have panned. Hopefully that encourage you to use up your makeup. This is this is the Lancome Idol Lash. When I tell you I love this, I loved this. It is all used up. It is dry. It is done. It is finished. This mascara, if I could get myself to buy a full size, I would pay the money, but right now, no. But this, if you can afford this one, it's a good one. It's a good one. That's empty. Again, it is the Lancome Idol Lash. The wand is excellent. I mean, this is the one. I love it. It has like a little curve. You can go this way, you can go that way. Love it. This is a makeup glue for rhinestone and glitter. I used it all the way down here, and when I did come to use it again, it dries. It dried up. It doesn't do the same job like it used to. See, it is dry. So this is a declutter. I did purchase this on Amazon. Urban Decay Face Primer All Nighter. I got this as, a gift from Sephora. You get the birthday gifts and stuff like that. And it is done. Nothing left. I used the whole thing. I tried to use it until it's done. This is it right here. All nighter. The next thing that I finish is this is Plain in Makeup by Yolando. It's an eye base. This is the shade right here, but it's empty. It is done. It is done. I used it all the way to the end. Nice skin tone eye base. Makeup, Plain in Makeup by Yolando. The next empty is Milani on the Eye Brightener, and it's Conceal Plus Perfect 04 Nectar. It worked. It worked. Next is the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Liquid Liner. I have more than one mascara in there because sometimes I'll have two open at a time, which is a bad thing to do. But I'll open more than one, and that's just what it is. Ilia. This is the Limitless Lash Mascara. This mascara, it's up there with the Lancome one. This makes my lashes look so fake, so full. You can see how dry it is. If you look in between, you'll see all the crust. This is the brush. I had to get used to the brush. I would always dig my eye with the brush. I'd go too close and stuff like because they're different lengths, and it is a nice brush, but I had to get used to this brush. Once you get used to it, all you do is just go there, ting, 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 your lashes look good. Anytime you see my lashes had look real, real long, big, this was what I was using. But it is dry, it is done. I had it for a while. Again, that was the little birthday, a gift with purchase from Sephora a while back. But it's the Ilia, Ilia. This I would invest in. If I have no more mascaras, I'll invest in this again. The next thing I really loved, and I used to use that with the Lancome mascara, it is the Lancome Oil Booster XL. Is it oil? Oils? Oils Booster. But this is a primer. This little thing is like magic. This little thing is magic. I have this for so long. This is like done to the done to the done. I have this for a long time. But you put this on your lashes, it goes on white, and then give it a little time and you don't see it, and then you put the mascara on it. It's the perfect marriage. Perfect marriage. This little lash primer. Loved it. But again, Lancome price is not my Lancome price is not in my budget. Very nice. This was a gift. Someone gave me this as a gift. My next one is the KVD tattoo liner. I don't know if I got a bomb one or not. Halfway through, it stopped working. And the trouble in doing it is like you gotta shake and do it. Shake and do it. I cannot deal with that, so I declutter it because you can still see it right here. But I just don't have the patience. I go one line, shake, shake, shake. Another line, shake, shake, shake. Go over it, shake, shake, shake. I don't, you can even hear it. I don't have time. So I declutter it. If I'm going to do makeup and have fun with makeup, I want it to be quick, easy. I mean, and when you put it, it doesn't come out. This thing works. But for some reason, it's stuck. It's like it dries. I'll do a little bit dry, then I have to shake, do a little bit, then it dries, shake, shake. So I think I may be a wrong one or whatever, but I don't have the patience for that, especially with an eyeliner. If it was an eyeshadow, yeah, I'll play with it until eyeliner, nah. The next empty is from Beauty Creations Plump and Pout Lip Plumping Booster. I got this in my ice cream box. I enjoyed this little thing. I didn't think I was going to enjoy it as much as I did. This little thing, it looks like an injection. And as you can see, it's empty. It's all up here. When it was full, this thing was down here. And then you plump. See, it wouldn't even move because I got every bit from it. I enjoyed it. It didn't stink. It had a slight little pepperminty feeling, very slight. I don't remember seeing any difference with my lips, but it kept my lip moisturized, and for that, I loved it. This, if I see this somewhere else, I'll repurchase. This is nice. My my last item that I panned a while back, and it is Zaria by Juvia's Place Press Powder Foundation. The shade name is Zaria, made in Italy. When I tell you this, I loved it. I wear it as a powder foundation, I wear it as a setting powder. I use the daylight out of this thing. I will put my primer, then set the primer, and then I put my liquid foundation because I have oily skin. So these are the ways I can prevent it from breaking through. These are the ways I can prevent the oil from breaking through too early in my makeup day. Juvia's Place have a large variety of inexpensive makeup product. If you ever get a chance to either go Ulta or on Juvia's Place website, you will get a good deal. There's always a sale, always, always, always. But this is done. It's pan, and I have 5 more makeup panning that I'm almost done with. So that will be the next empties, hopefully soon. And for now, this is it. This is it. I hope this video encourage you to use up your products. Whether you rotate them or you use the same thing every day, just use it. It doesn't matter how you use it. Just pick it up, use it, have fun with it. And whether you plant it today or next year, it doesn't matter. If you're using it, it will finish eventually. No stress. Thank you for watching. Always remember you are loved on this channel. Please remember to hype this video and know that you are the most important person in this world. And when you come across the next important person in this world, you will know, and you and the next and the next and the next important person will all know that you all are blessed and highly favored. See you shortly. Bye. My empties. Finally, I got to do the video.